Hello, this is Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this video we will break down the market for the next week, that means 5th to 9th March 2025. Okay, so let's get started. And if we especially want to talk about last week's market, as you can see there, last week market most probably started with that area and it probably getting lower day by day. As you can see there, last week market was closed with sell, that means bearish. If I select weekly candle, and as you can see there, last week candle closed with bearish also. And if you take a look on the full chart, you may notice that previously one more time market was make that kind of movement like that and it's just trying to go up. Okay, and it may confirm that gold is still a strong buy trend for long run, but in short term we have to analyze more, especially for next week. So after analyzing or after continuing the analyzing, we can decide the market movement for the next week. Okay, before we start, I want to declare, I want to make sure that our last week entry, as you can see there, our last week entry was that, and it just touched our entry level and made around 700 pips, and we announced that on our Telegram channel. You may see that, or you may see our Telegram result on screen, and it just hit our 700 around 700 pips, and it just started to go fall. That means first 2 days weekly candle was bullish, and then again it just started to go down. Okay, and if we get back into our chart, that means blank chart, so let's make it blank, and we need to start it from weekly time frame. That means as per our trading style, or as per our analysis style, we always start our analysis from weekly, then daily, to ensure the market direction. Then we can find out a entry on H4 or H1 time frame. So as you can see there, if I want to draw a trend line over here, and if you take a closer look on the market, in that case market just make a strong breakout and it may retest the zone again and it may fly again. That means for long run, like 1 month or 2, 3, 4 months, or for a year, gold is going to safest investment haven for the investor. Okay, and if you want to tell me, Mr. Boom, what for long run, what for short run, okay, I already told you. For long run, I can see gold is going to make a big bullish movement. It already touched our 3500, that means 3500 zone one time, and it may break the zone again. Okay, so if I want to go into daily time frame, okay, as you can see there, in daily time frame also market is strong bullish. For few days it's just trying to go down or go bearish, and if I want to draw a trend line over that area, you may see that market in daily time frame, market is going to retest this trend line, and maybe again it will fly. Okay, so let's find out our entry on H1 and H4 time frame also. Okay, so before I start on H4 time frame, I wanna clear something like geopolitical issues like US and China issue, and there is more issue like Ukraine, Russia war, and Middle East tension. And if you are especially following my analysis from long time or last month, you may know that China and USA want to negotiate the tariff rate. That means Donald Trump announced total 245% tariff on Chinese product, and China also sent a feedback with tariff. So they just want to open a discussion. For if discussion open, then market will go more down. That means dollar will strong more, and if there is more business wire, like tariff related wire or something like that, if that happened, market will go more up because of the US dollar inflation. You may know that. Okay, so as you can see there, currently in H4, if I want to draw support and support zone on that area, okay, if I want to draw that in this particular area, it already in our support zone. And if I want to draw a resistance zone over here, you must see that it just trying to break that, and it already retested that zone and it may ready for go down. Okay, and if I remove all of them and I started again with H1 time frame, okay, let's start with H1, and as you can see there is a lot of conclusion on H1 time frame. And if I especially want to analyze or discuss about the market, so firstly we have to keep our concern on few things. Okay, yesterday's NFP news was positive. That means a lot of job creates on the US market, and that's why US dollar going to strong more. And you know that if US dollar is strong, then weak point for gold. That means gold is going for sell. And if I want to analyze that as per the, this is a technical analysis, we need to analyze the market technically. And I'm sorry, so if I want to draw support and resistance zone to find out our proper entry or to find out our entry, so as you can see that there is a resistance zone for current situation or current market position, and there is another resistance zone, and our latest support zone or our last support zone, as per I said on H4 time frame, is around that area. Okay, it's around that area. And if I want to find out our Fibonacci support and resistance zone, I need to select latest lower and higher point. So as you can see there, I just selected that, and our resistance area Fibonacci level is around there, and our another Fibonacci level is around there. That means 0.5 zone is there, and 0.382 zone is there, and our most important 0.618 zone is there. Okay, so let me delete the Fibo retracement. We got our exit point or exit point, or we got our point. Okay, so as you can see there, our chart says our resistance zone is around 3276, and Fibo retracement said that or told that at 3288. This is our particular area. That means we got our entry zone or SL zone or take profit zone. Okay, if we want to take buy or sell, we may got our proper area. Okay, and if you especially said, Mr. Boom, why you drawing that? Okay, we need to find out our path or direction first, then we need to decide the market movement. Okay, one more thing here, if I want to draw trend line for find the perfect direction, if I want to start here, as you can see there, this is our latest trend line. Or if I want to make that more specific, okay, as you can see there, there is our latest trend line. And if we want to draw upper trend, it's around that particular area. Okay, it already crossed our, and you may see that there is a support and resistance breakout zone. That means there is a trend line breakout, there is a support breakout. That means there is double confirmation to go sell. Okay, and again it just trying to retest the zone, and again it will fall as per our strategy. Or if you are following my strategy from long time, you may know that. Okay, let's take our entry zone, or let's find out our entry zone. So our entry zone will be around this particular area. That means this area. Okay, you may take your entry, that means sell entry, around the support area. It's like 3276 to 3288. It's around 200 pips zone. If you want to hold your position for long time, you may take sell entry between this area. Okay, and you may say that, Mr. Boom, this is a long area. Okay, if you are a small investor, you can avoid that. I will post entry for a small investor in Telegram channel, so you may follow our Telegram channel. I just want to declare the market direction or what will be going to happen for next few days. I just want to declare that. Okay, and as you can see that there is our take profit level is very big. Okay, if you want to take this area as take profit, there is 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means if your stop loss is 200 pips, there is more than 600 pips. Okay, your safe area. So for current situation or for current market position, we have to wait till it reach this particular area. Okay, this particular area, then we will find a proper confirmation to go sell, then we can take a sell entry till that area. Okay, till that area. This is the entry, or you may take a screenshot for that or for the market direction, and you can take entry from that particular area. So let's move for the small investor. So let me remove all of them. Before that, I want to take a screenshot to save that. Okay, so let's remove all of the drawing, and let's go M13 time frame for a small time frame trader or a small investor. Okay, let's go for 15 minute time frame. As you can see there, in 15-minute time frame, market is also on sell trend, and for overshare, I wanna take 30-minute time frame to make that overshare. Okay, so let's draw a latest resistance zone. You may see that. I'm sorry, this is our particular resistance area. Okay, and if I want to draw a trend line for that particular area, okay, as you can see there, there's what trend line zone. And if you take a closer look on that particular area, okay, you may see there is a trend line breakout zone. So if you are especially a small investor, a small trader, you may take that particular area as a entry zone, or for better safety or for more safety, you can take this particular area for your entry zone. That means sell entry zone. Okay, you can take sell entry over here. You may take 50 bips sell, or if you want to take TP, that means 150 bips TP from that particular area, like that, with 1:3 risk reward ratio. Hopefully all things is clear now. There is a lot of geopolitical issue happening around the world, so you may keep your concern or keep your eyes on the geopolitical issues, like what is happening around the world, what is going to happen with United States dollar, or what about inflation on USD. Okay, I hope you understand all thing. If you have any more query or any more question, you may join our public Telegram channel. There we are sharing a lot of entry and analysis every day. Okay, as you can see there is a lot of entry, and there is our last week total entry, and we took total 25 entry and we won 22, and 3 of them hit SL, and total profit was 1900 pips. Okay, and as you can see there, we are posting each and every day our daily profit update, and we are more transparent than other, and we are posting a lot of news update, that means fundamental update, on our Telegram channel. So you may join our public Telegram channel. As you can see there is a lot of update from our Telegram, so you may join that, and you may see our client review. We have especially channel for client, that means testimonials, so you may check our testimonial also. So if it works for you, that means if you try our free entry or free signal, if it works for you, then you can join our premium to get daily 5 to 8 fresh entries. Okay, and I just want to tell one more thing: in that field or in that area, we are more transparent than what others. Okay, and you also can see our live trades 24/7 on YouTube. That means you can get our live analysis, live entry by Mr. Boom, and that's all. So that's for today. Happy trading. Have a nice day.
Every tick of the clock sends a shiver to my spine.